Okay, it is 1:23 p.m. and I've just woken up. Rehearsal is in 37 minutes. And I have no clean clothes.
Aaron, how was that rehearsal?
You know what, in Chernobyl we say not great, not terrible.
Ignore my laundry.
We've just found out that Peter's not coming.
It's the heartbreak after heartbreak. He's the glue that keeps us all together.
It's fine. We don't need him.
Where are we? Where? How was your journey to Gatwick Airport? Oh. Run, Forrest, run! Sam, you've hidden stuff, right? Yeah. Let's go in here then.
So we've just found out that our flight is delayed by 2 hours. You know that it's a problem when you get less hours of sleep than the number of gigs that you're doing the next day.
I do like tea, yes. Hot chocolate review? Do we like white or do we like it brown?
You know me.
Welcome to Ruben's Coffee Show. We'd like a good coffee recommendation.
We gotta catch this plane! We gotta catch this plane! It's about to leave! Half an hour! Joe Rob, what are you doing? You gotta run!
So apparently our flight is now on time, we have to run. But Matt and I thought it was important to beautify. Yeah. So face mask. I hope we haven't missed the flight. Now we're running back to Spoons.
Look at that train!
Hello, welcome back to the SwissTour vlog. It is 11 p.m. in Switzerland and we have arrived in Geneva. That's where we are right now. Have a good night.
Look at those non-EU citizens in the slow queue. There's three of us. How are you doing? How are you doing?
We're doing great. So far we're a trio. I'm not sure how I feel about that.
Oh, what's up? We vlogging.
How's the soup?
That was so good. I was gonna ask
Good soup? Good soup?
Great soup.
Oh.
As you run out, I'm going to do it organically.
Going.
I think you
How's
guys
it going, Gabe?
should sit on the bed and hold hands.
Oh yeah.
Maybe kiss while you're at it?
Let me tell you what my sleep score is. It is 42% quality.
That is... it's a pass.
That's a pass.
Only just, but it's a pass.
I'd like to say, parents, I love you. Alex is driving. This never driven on the side of the road.
Our vlogger is driving today.
If you see this footage, let us be remembered.
Where are we now?
LCIS.
For gig number? 2. Yeah, gig 1 kind of missed the vlog, so I was... Our first ever workshop you guys did, how was it? How was it?
So good.
Sassy.
So good.
Of course she thinks she is.
I think it was a roaring success.
It's not even noon, and we're out here going to Geneva.
3 years of COVID. I feel like that's more than enough.
About to depart?
Yes, we are about.
Oh, hello.
Sun in your eyes.
I know, I look pretty. Thank you. That's going in the vlog.
You always look pretty.
Just oh, sorry, I'll leave you guys to it.
And I know this audience has absolutely had the best Tuesday night ever had in Switzerland. I think that's safe to say.
Generations of dead people.
Oh.
Hey, hit it.
Is it a one person nuclear bunker? It's been a long day. Good thing is, tonight we'll get more than 4 hours of sleep.
Could even be getting 8 hours. It's only 10:30.
Yeah.
If I get up at 6:30, 8 hours sleep.
Yeah, beautiful.
Wow.
And then we are heading to give some workshops in the morning, and then have a
Here we see Alex Lee disappointing a child's dreams. Johnny, no, don't give in, Johnny! Alex Lee, crusher of dreams, has come to sort it out. Welcome back, we are at our second school of the day. It's absolutely beautiful today. I'm literally just shocked at how stunning this whole place is. And we're very excited, got a workshop coming up, so let's do it! Look, the cherry trees. Cherry trees. We are beautiful, yes! Matt looks normal.
Right,
I mean,
right.
Joshua Gray. That is.
Yeah. I mean,
that is glasses and hair and nothing else.
I don't even wear glasses.
So, improv, one of the main things in improv, one of the main rules is you always try to say yes.
Think of the school canteen. Like the best wedding ever. We were just trying to mind our own business. We couldn't help but notice, like, there's this really cool looking group, like, and they're on tomorrow. Huh? Maybe we should go for that. Maybe we should. Yeah. So many levels. Levels. Wow.
How big do you think the lock is? The lake?
It's been a wonderful lunch, Johnny, but what do you think are our chances of making it to the gig on time?
well, so it all relies on Gabe, and so in which case, not fantastic, but could be significantly worse. I would be smiling, but it would ruin the effect. It's brilliant. It's revitalizing. It's slightly burning, but
Parents giving me like
yeah,
Texas chainsaw last.
Hiya! Hiya! Yo, look at the mountains! Alex, tell us what we've just done.
We finished our last and final gig.
No, but we're done. We're done. tomorrow's finally a free day.
No more singing.
We're gonna be going to explore Geneva probably.
No more singing.
Then we're singing. We're probably gonna go.
No more singing.
We're exploring Geneva. Is it? Whoa! What are we doing tomorrow? It's 2 a.m.
Turn that torch off.
What is going on over there?
So Joe, what time is it?
It's now 3:48 Swiss time. I've slept for about half an hour tonight. And ready and raring to go actually, all packed up. We about to head to Geneva Airport.
Joe, where we at?
Konnichiwa, what's up, sussy baka? We are out here in Japan now.
Yeah.
We're still on Swiss tour.
Yeah, but where are we now?
Absolute dumbass.
But where are we right now?
Francais,
Yeah.
having a 13-hour layover
Wow.
because, you know, we want to do some sightseeing.
We failed to get into the basilica. We've now failed to get into the public toilets. Find out next time on what else we failed to get into in Toulouse. Ciao. Today has been a fever dream of the day. It's been a series, the way I would describe it is sleeping, walking, and a little bit of eating. I don't rate this sort of unhealthy lifestyle.
Alright, should we give one final goodbye to SwissTour 2.0?
SwissTour2! Oh, we've gone too far with this one. This is some kind of
Cut the tape.
SwissTour2!
Bye bye.